The up-down movement screw inside the 3D printer is released clockwise. There is a groove at the end of the tube, and this part holds it for fixing from the inside of the nipple. The filament supply tube is pushed into the fitting part of the extrusion outlet to check whether the tube is fixed stably to the nipple. Remove the two protection clips below the printer. Connect the power cable to the socket. Connect the cable to the printer too. Turn on the power switch. Push the filament supply tube into the fitting part of the extruder. Put the SD card in the inlet and press it once. Be sure to check the direction when putting in the SD card. Put in the filament while slightly pushing the left part of the extruder. If the filament is inserted, it passes through the tube. Strongly hold the left spring part of the extruder to slightly hold the filament to prevent the filament from springing forth. Do the heating with the operation button. Wait until temperature starts to go up and the rate becomes 100%. The 69 output files are basically embedded inside the SD card. The filament starts to be melt, and the filament comes down from the nozzle part. In order to output the default dinosaur, slightly rotate the operation button to click the desired folder and the file to be outputted. If the output starts, the bed comes out to the front. If the nozzle finds the center point, the bed goes to the inside. If the nozzle finds the center, output is done with the melt filament. If output is completed, the bed comes to the outside. Put the finger into the hole and take out the bed. Take off the output. The dinosaur is completed.